If you want to turn off dark mode on X.com, formerly known as Twitter, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to switch your display back to the default light theme in just a few simple steps. This is super helpful if dark mode is hard on your eyes, you prefer a brighter interface, or you just want to change the look of X on your browser. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open X.com in your web browser and log into your account. Once you're signed in, take a look at the left-hand side menu. You'll see the main navigation panel there. Now click on More. This is the icon with the three dots, and it opens up additional settings and options for your account. After you click More, a menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of the account and display settings, including customization options for the interface. Next, on the settings page, click on Accessibility, Display, and Languages. This section contains options related to how X looks and functions on your screen, so it's the right place to go when you want to change the visual appearance. Now click Display. This will open the display preferences, where you can adjust the theme and background settings for your account. Under the background section, you'll see different theme choices. To turn off dark mode, click Default. This switches X back to the standard light background instead of the dark theme. Once you select Default, the change should happen right away. You can now go back to your timeline and confirm that the interface is no longer in dark mode. It's a quick change, but it can make a big difference if you want a cleaner, brighter look while using X.com. And that's it. You've successfully turned off dark mode on X.com or Twitter in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tech guides, and feel free to comment below if you want to learn how to change any other X settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.